Kamusta mga ka-fam? Welcome back sa inyong paboritong channel. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang latest chika.
Mga ka-fam, may chikang super mainit after Miss Universe 2025. Hindi lang yon, may buwing sa coronation, mga celeb na galit, at isang dating judge ang may paratang ng rigging. Tara, himayin natin kung ano ang sinasabi ng mga kilalang personalidad at kung bakit napuno ng tanong ang pageant world ngayon. Alam niyo ba ka-fam, may video clip na kumalat kung saan may buwing nang i-announce si Miss Mexico, Fatima Bosch, bilang Miss Universe 2025. Ayon sa report, may ilang fans sa venue na halatang hindi natuwa sa resulta. Umalingaw-ngaw ang boo at thumbs down sa telebisyon at sa crowd. Sobrang tensyonado ang coronation night at yan ang unang bangungot para sa ilang naniniwala na hindi pataas ang outcome. Ngayon, si Vice Ganda, hindi niya tinakpan galit. Sabi niya, hanggang sa Miss Universe, ninakawan niyo ang Pilipinas. Grabe. Tapos sabi pa niya, unacceptable. Pero alam mo namang Vice, supportive din siya sa Ahtisa. Philippines, let us all congratulate Ahtisa Manalo. She worked hard and won it in so many puso. May iba pang celebs na nag-react ng malalim. Si Catriona Gray, Miss Universe 2018, ay parang ate sa pageantry. Wala na bang bearing ang Q&A sa Miss Universe? She also praised Ahtisa. So proud. We all saw how you left your heart on that stage. Our queen, si Michelle D naman, speechless. I'm so confused. Tara shot, puno. At may isa pang patama mula sa drag queen na si Marina Summers. Sabi niya, Mexico and Thailand were the weakest in the two Q&A rounds. How did they end up in the top two? At may iba't ibang reaction pa mula sa iba.
Well, as an ambassador and as Miss Universe, I would want to be the face of a representation of a new generation that mixes culture, that mixes modern and traditional. I want to be the face of a new era of women that are bold, that are leaders, that are unapologetic about who they are. If I'm Miss Universe, I want to be a role model for all the young girls and let them know that you too can make it. Go in those rooms where you think you don't belong, shine, and make sure you assume your identity.
No, I want to be the hope of people. I come from a very poor background. I started pageants at 10 years old to put myself through school and to lift my family out of poverty. And if there's anything that I want to show the universe, I'm here right now. I'm standing as Miss Universe because I was able to get myself out of any situation because I was hardworking, I was persistent, and I fight for what I want. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Philippines.
Ka-fam, hindi lang fans at netizens ang nagtataka. May isang dating judge ng Miss Universe na nagsalita. Ayon sa report, sinabing may rigging, business ties at posibleng impluensya sa result. Sabi niya, Miss Mexico is a fake winner dahil daw may parallel voting committee. Kung totoo yan, gulo yan. May labanan dito beyond the crown. Sa gitna ng ingay, si Ahtisa Manalo nagsabing siya ay happy and content. Alam niya na ginawa niya ang makakaya niya at iniwan niya ang stage ng buong dangal. Maraming tagahanga ang naniniwala. Kaya kahit may kontrobersya, may respeto pa rin sa ginawa niya. Kaya ka-fam, narito ang tanong ko sa inyo. Legit ba ang pagkapanalo ni Miss Mexico? Karapat-dapat ba si Ahtisa na mas mataas ang pwesto o dapat ay may solusyon sa sistemang pageant? Comment na sa baba para magchika tayo.
Huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Kita-kits ulit sa next video, mga ka-fam.